This is part 4 of Auth0 tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about how to choose app type. There's a good documentation in Auth0. It talks about which Auth0 flow shall we choose. It also talks about which application type should be applied to each flow. If you still feel confused which application type I shall choose in my project, you can follow this flow. In most cases, it will work. First question is to ask whether I have a front end. If no, you can use the machine-to-machine. If yes, you need to check whether it will be running on mobile device. If yes, you need to choose the native type. If no, you need to ask yourself whether the application is running on server, whether the code is written by JavaScript or Blazor. If it's running on server, you need to use the regular type. If the application is written by JavaScript framework like React, Angular, you should choose single page type. In this video, we discussed how to choose application types. In the next video, we will discuss how to choose SDKs for your application. Thank you for watching.